Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on how you can turn off the bringing devices together on iPhone. It's pretty simple to do, and I'll go ahead and show you it right now. So first you want to open up the settings app. Then you want to go down to where it says general and go ahead and tap on that. Then tap on where it says Airdrop. And from here we want to go look for where it says bringing devices together. You can see that it's currently enabled. If we go ahead and tap on this toggle, that's going to completely disable the bringing devices together feature on your phone. So if you don't want to hold your phone up to someone else's phone to airdrop any files or anything like that, you can just completely disable this feature by disabling this toggle like so. If you want to just completely disable airdrop, you can also just turn off receiving off at the top right here, and that will completely disable the airdrop feature altogether. But that is how you can turn off the bringing the devices together feature on the iPhone. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.